How's it going, guys? Today I got my far from stock AC condenser cover for my 5.9 Cummins. Just with this new grill I got here, you can really kind of see the AC condenser behind there, and it kind of looks all hammered out and everything. So yeah, my buddy was like, well, far from stock makes this cool cover. So I'm gonna be kind of prepping it to make it look a little cooler and putting it on, and we'll see what it looks like. So they kind of come just like unfinished metal. I didn't really like how it had this black line across. So I kind of experimented with some different buffer pads. It looks pretty good right here. That's just using this guy. So I'm gonna buff the whole thing and try to make it look kind of swirly and shiny, get rid of these lines from trying a different buffer wheel. And once it looks good, I'm just gonna spray it with a clear coat sealant, and we'll install it. It has this nice mesh here to go with it, so it should look pretty good. Okay, I got her all buffed up. Now keep in mind, I am definitely not any metalworking expert. I just want to kind of give it this shiny look, kind of like a machined look to it. So, I mean, it's gonna look a little different in the light and stuff, but I don't know. I'm hoping it turns out good. I gotta go buy some clear coat now, and we'll blast her with that, so it's hopefully won't rust on me. Okay, so I got some crystal clear satin, I think is what it's called. I didn't want to do a gloss. I don't want it to be too shiny. But yeah, I'm just gonna spray this front and back, and hopefully it turns out. Like I said, I'm not a metal worker and I'm not a very good painter, so I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but I'm just hoping it'll look kind of cool and be a little bit catchy behind that grill. To judge how much you're putting on because it just goes on clear. Okay, it's all sprayed up. I'm just gonna go take the truck to the car wash, clean it all up a little bit. Got some mud stuck on the hood. I'm gonna try to get in there and just blast the AC condenser out just a little bit without wrecking any fins. Just give it a little clean. Then we'll throw the new cover on. Okay, washed her up a bit. I just have this thing rested in place, so it looks super easy. There's just 2 screws there and 1 right there on each side that you're gonna take out, probably put some washers when you put them back on. And then the mesh here, you're just gonna put it behind it when you put this on and stretch it out and bolt it up with it. But it looks pretty cool so far. So yeah, we'll put it all together and then look at the final finished product. It's not working the best like that. I think maybe I'm supposed to take these brackets off and put them over top of here. So I'm gonna try that. Okay, she's all on. Not gonna lie, that was a little bit more of a pain in the ass than I thought it was gonna be. But if you get a second guy just to hold that AC condenser up for you, it really helps out a lot. But yeah, it looks great. See what it looks like with it closed. Oh yeah, that looks way better. Cool. Well, that's it for my quick little video on this far from stock AC condenser cover. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and subscribe. If you got questions, ask in the comments. Also, let me know down in the comments what you guys want me to make videos of. I kind of ran out of ideas. I'll do more how-to videos as stuff rolls through the shop. But if you guys want me to do a video, just let me know in the comments, and if I'm able to, I'll make a video for you. Anyways, guys, we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.